So you are listening to the Music and Culture Podcast with me, Mandla Gingirikani. Thank you very much for joining us this side. We really, really appreciate your time. If it's your first time, please do the right thing. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Whatever makes sense for you, just do it. Just do it. So during the live, Makhadzi also addressed the Shebeshkt issue to say, as much as you are going to support me for my one-woman show in Polokwane somewhere in December, please also note that there is going to be a benefit concert for Shebeshkt.
And now they are going to do a Shebeshkt contribution show because he need money for the hospital bills, right? You must go support for Shebeshkt to go out to the hospital because they need a bill. I'm sorry if I'm breaking the news, but I'm sorry, you need to hear this. So they're going to do a Shebeshkt show. You must go support it because we need money to free Shebeshkt from the hospital. We need him on that show. Ko Peter Mkaba, Renaka Shebeshkt abe hona, and no, Renaka patali billy ta Shebeshkt. We're gonna do a show. Ya Shebeshkt contribution. We need a 1 million rand for Shebeshkt to go off the hospital. You must go, come and support, because on 1 million shukal to December we need Shebeshkt to be there. In the center. Yeah, so you must go support baby bakeshu re support the drama le tshela re kene mo tsona are the team re staying. No, we want to fight for the recent situation. We must go fight for him to be released in the in the hospital. I don't know which lifetime or whatever, but we need money for him to be released. You must go support. We're gonna host a show. Shebeshkt to contribute money for him, so I release we go hospital. So you must support the show. We're gonna do it maybe next month, somewhere next month, for the bills for him to pay the bill. They need 1 million rand according to his stay. So you must go and support for him to be released from the hospital. Hore, Ricky Pine December. It's for Makhadzi show only. Even other people they want to see him. So please, as Limpopo, arriving day one, support the name.
Initially, we heard that Mr. Julius Malema had gone or had instructed people to direct all the things with regard to medicals, hospitalization, and medical bills and everything. We heard that he's going to take care of it, but it sounds like probably it was not enough. Because now it sounds like maybe Julius was lying or they were lying about Julius intervening. Maybe we can just say maybe the money that was raised wasn't enough, that more money is needed so that they can settle the bills. Remember, Shebeshkt was involved in a car crash out in Limpopo that ended his daughter's life, and now he's recovering with a broken leg. It sounded like Makhadzi is saying Shebeshkt is stuck because she says we need to release him from hospital. What does it mean when she says we need to release him from hospital? Is it because he cannot be allowed to leave because he settles the bill or what? But now it looks like because he hasn't settled the bill and the hospital cannot let him go. It sounds like this. I'm not saying that's what it is. It sounds like that's what's happening. For me, it sounds like that's how I'm receiving what Makhadzi is saying, that Shebeshkt cannot be let go because he hasn't settled the bill. That's why she talks about we have to free him. That's how I understand it. And then now it comes back to the whole issue of art and culture and supporting artists. You know, we always say that our government does not really support our artists. I mean, I've heard a lot of artists complaining about the Department of Arts and Culture that they're not receiving a lot of support, or they're not receiving support altogether. Maybe the support only goes to different kind of people, whatever. But it's one of those things where when we have an artist that is injured, now is stuck in hospital, cannot pay the bills, cannot be released because doesn't have money. Now artists must go and have a concert so that they can raise money to help him settle his bills. You know, it's you start asking yourself questions. You start asking yourself a lot of questions about these whole departments. What's the whole aim of of government? What's the whole aim of government? I mean, this guy, they say when he got injured in the accident, he was traveling home. Apparently, the following day, he was going to attend an ANC, which is a political party, or the majority party. Well, they don't really have a majority anymore, but it was their party or their gig or their festival, whatever it was, whatever was happening. Is the department going to contribute now to Shebeshkt? Maybe it's a wastage expenditure, we don't know. Will the department contribute to this cause of Shebeshkt? Because they use him. These guys, when they were seeking for votes, when they were campaigning, they were using musicians. Guys, musicians were used during the campaigning. If there's people that were used as baits to attract voters during campaigning, it's musicians, guys. They need to be appreciated. And I don't think South African musicians are treated with respect. They're not. That's why we have these kind of things with Makhadzi and Shebeshkt and everyone. Because they're not treated with care. They're not treated with respect. That's what Makhadzi also spoke about. That's all I had, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Please like the channel and also tell people about it. Like Salut.